So this XAUUSD analysis for Friday the 15th of June. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously, we had encountered support in around that 1292, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum takes 1305 and at 1307. Now, we were mentioning on the 1307, especially on the daily chart, we did have a 200 period moving average, the daily chart, thus increasing likely to find resistance in around that 1307.18, and that's pretty much what we saw. We did see the sell side momentum coming to market from that 1307.18. We've broken back below the 1305. We've had a test of that 1397.50. Now we are looking for a test of that 1296, so we'll see whether we do have that retracement down towards this 1296. If we do find support 1296, we're then looking for prices to retest 1305, 1307.18, and if there is sufficient volatility to upside, 1358 may come into focus, or possibly even that 1750. Now, if we do break down from this 1296, we're looking for a CF price rack towards the 1290. We previously found support a couple of, well, almost over a week now. I'll go in around at 1290. So we'll see if we do find support in around 1290 before looking for price head down towards this 1288.14. Successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards that 1284 here on. Let's just make sure we get it all correct now. If we do break down from this 1284, we're looking for a move down towards this 1279.42. Successful break from which, actually, I don't think we would actually break all the way down from there. We'd have require quite a volatile day. Yeah, so for now, I would expect the far end of the range to be around at 1279.42 and around 1280 level here on the XAUUSD. If we do see that momentum here to the downside. So what we'll do now is, we mentioned levels that we are looking at here on the XAUUSD. We'll have a look here at the daily chart. We get the scale line here correct, and as we can see, price action has been quite choppy here on the XAUUSD. So we've had prices come down, form a low in around at 1284, had prices retest 1307 without a confluence of a 200 period moving average, had a rejection, brief pullback, posted a higher relative low, had this rather choppy indecisive price action here. And again, there still remains a slight bias to the upside despite having a rejection more recently after 1307 level. So as long as we can continue to maintain this slight upwards momentum in trend, if we can successfully break and hold above 1307, we'll be then looking for prices to start to head towards that possibly 13.58, 13.2025, and the most recent swing in the market in around 13.25, 13.26 here on the XAUUSD. But if we do break down, we possibly might retest the lows in around 1284. See if we do from a bit of a double bottom and see a continued recovery here to the upside on the XAUUSD. And with that, thanks for watching.